To fully appreciate the value of the area that you can live here, I thought it's a good idea to come here in the evening. One of my favorites, the Café de Stagiaire. Good morning. I'm here at the St Louis BTS Station, which is in the Sathorn area, and today I'm going to give you an update regarding a new building. We are on our way to the Tait 12, but first I want to show you a nice view of this area. Sathorn is actually one of the main business districts in Bangkok, and as you can see, a lot of office towers. Here you have the King Power Mahanakhon, the W Hotel, the Chongnonsi Bridge, but I'm not here for these buildings. I'm here for the Tait or Tait 12, which is the one with the pointy roof. This building has 34 floors, and we are going to the 32nd floor where I have a 2-bedroom apartment for sale. And what's special about this one is that it is for sale before transfer, which means that you can get it for a way better price. With this building, it's not only about how modern the building is, but it's also about the area. And there are a few very nice restaurants in here and cafes, like for example the Café de Stagiaire, and then next to it you have the Kai New Zealand restaurant and bar. And if you come here in the evening, this is always busy. This is where the local people that live in this area hang out. And then here you have the building within the back. You cannot see it really well, the King Power Mahanakhon. So let's go and have a look. This is the first time for me to come to this building. I'm doing my research, and I'm coming here to film this unit, Tait Sathorn 12. It's actually across the street from the address Sathorn. Let's go inside. You know, I'm always happy to visit a new project. It's always cool to see how this project developed. So let's go and get the key. What I always like when you visit these new buildings is that often you have these scale models. And here on the scale model we can see exactly how the structure looks. And you can see that they have these gardens that they created on the upper floors. And actually the unit that I'm going to show today will have one of those gardens as well. The garden is not accessible, but it's more like an ornament. Here we are at the unit that I want to show you today. This is on the 32nd floor, and the building actually has 34 residential floors and then 4 more floors of facilities. So you're almost at the top of the building. The size of this unit is 93.5 square meters, and the listing price would be 31.8 million baht, but because the owner wants to sell it before transfer, it's now 28.8 million Thai baht. So this is also one of the reasons why I wanted to come and show this to you guys. This project is built by Romanian. And we are here. We cannot see the Mahanakhon from here. We are on the other side of the building, overlooking the area of the river. I wouldn't recommend climbing on here. So there behind the building you can see the banyan tree residences, and then there these are the Magnolia Towers next to the Icon Siam shopping mall. I wanted to say you can get a nice view here for the fireworks with New Year, but actually it looks like the address Sathorn is blocking that. They are still doing the final touch-up of the building. Here you have your neighbors. This is the private garden, but you don't have access to the garden. So let me show you a bit more inside the unit as well. You have a fully fitted kitchen with a hob by Smeg. So here you have the fridge. Nicely built in. The master bedroom. Again, great views in here. So the road that you see down there is Silom Road, and here you have the whole Silom area. Bathroom with a nice bathtub, and if you sit in your bathtub here, you can see the Silom BTS coming by. You see the train. It's like a miniature town, right? If you look from above. Yeah, so the transfer date is the 15th of October. So if you're interested in buying this apartment, I would recommend to try and do that before the 15th of October. Otherwise the price will go up. And this has to do with taxes. And if you have any questions about that, you can ask us. We can explain everything. Yeah, beautiful apartment. Well, the good thing is, like here in front, I was just saying the fireworks will be blocked, but the good thing is that you will not have any other construction. So you don't have to worry about that, getting a blocked view in here. Here on the 36th floor where you'll find the swimming pool. And there's a little lounge area here as well. It's a bit windy here, which means it's always fresh. We are here on the 37th floor, and here you have the library. And there's also a cinema room where I want to bring you to. You can sit and relax and watch a movie, and the screen can come down from here, and you have a nice viewpoint of the swimming pool from here as well. There is a little balcony, I would say. On the 38th floor you'll find a state-of-the-art gym. This is quite spacious, and you have amazing views here of the city in front, including the Mahanakon with the little ants that are on the skywalk there. On the 39th floor you have the private dining room. And if you live here, you can book this. You can have your private function in here. And imagine this in the evening, overlooking the city. Pretty nice. We made it to the top floor of the Tait building, and we are here on the 38th floor. And from here you have a great view. You see you have these chairs here to relax. And actually, I'm pretty sure you can see the fireworks from here because you're overlooking the address Sathorn. To fully appreciate the value of the area that you can live here, I thought it's a good idea to come here in the evening. So here you have the Tait that I just showed you, and there are very nice restaurants in here. This is a beautiful nightlife area. And the good thing is that there is not too much traffic. This is a perfect residential area with several good restaurants. So here we have the Tait. There's a whole row of nice restaurants in here. The 12th Mediterranean Gastro Pub. It's a bit windy because it looks like it's gonna rain, but it's good to get an idea of how this area is. So here you have the Kai New Zealand restaurant and bar. And then here, one of my favorites, the Café de Stagiaire. Live music inside. So if you're interested in buying this apartment here at the Tait 12, I would say try and do it before the 15th of October, because that's when the unit will be transferred and the price will go up. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update regarding this beautiful apartment in Bangkok, and if you want to know more about Bangkok, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.